Welcome to Rust-Proof Labs. Track your garden. Getting started with plantings. After login, your dashboard is the first page you will see. Please click on Plantings. Pre-root plantings are the bridge between genetics and plants. One planting can be the source for many plants. A major benefit to anyone who starts from seed is plantings help quantify germination rate by tracking how many you start versus how many actually sprout. The Detail tab shows the complete listing of your plants. There are many ways to filter on this page. The Search Plantings feature gives you the capability to find a specific planting. Simply type the name in the search field. Or you may sort by seed, by start date, by number of sprouts, or by number of plants. Search refinement is possible by clicking on Active Only, Growing Season, or Genetic Group. Click on either button to add a new planting. The Summary tab provides you with an overview of your plantings summarized by genetic group and year of planting. And once again, you can add a new planting from this page. You can now review your plantings or add new ones quickly and efficiently. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your time at Track Your Garden.